Make a brochure on Google Docs. How to make a brochure? Just you have to go through here to go to landscape and make sure you have the same margin for everything. Then when it's landscape, then you can create a column, three column like this. Make sure that you have a column. Let's see the column first. There you go. You can see the column right there, and then we can go back to where we are starting. I've prepared a brochure about vitamins generated by ChatGPT, but you guys can make it on your own. So we're just gonna paste this. But since it's too long, we can just adjust the content. We can just adjust the content here, or we can also change the margin to be not so big. For example, we have a 2 centimeters margin. We can just change it to 0.5 margin for all of this. Excuse me for typing slow because I'm holding my mic on my left hand. Right, so, and it will much more be better now that it's 0.5 margin. You can also customize the gap between the column on the format columns here. You can choose more option and you can configure the spacing if you guys want, or you can also use apply align to better distribute the column. Since it's way too much, I can just delete some part, or delete this, and just make sure that the back cover should be right here, or you guys just have to adjust the brochure to be much more or less. But this is how you're able to create brochure. You can also change the page color, add images or something like that.